Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and after last time we talked about how to install apps to your Vivo X80 Pro, I'm now gonna show you how to uninstall apps from your Vivo X80 Pro. We have our Lieferando app here and we now just press and hold and then you have a little menu here. When you click on remove, it will go back to the menu we got it from. You can click on app info to get more information about this app. And you can also edit home screen. And the last point is uninstall app. We want to delete this app, so we click on uninstall app and then it asks us Lieferando and its data will be deleted. You can also cancel if you're like, oh no, I really want to keep this app, but you can also click on uninstall if you're sure that you want it gone. Now you saw the app is gone. It's not on your home screen anymore. It's also not in your menu here anymore. And if you ever want to use this app again, you just click on your Play Store and look for your app you want to install again. That's how you delete apps from your Vivo X80 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.